Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this workbook, we've got another very quick time-saving tip with Microsoft Word. And this is going to be vertical text selection. So this can be quite useful in instances, say you have copied text in from an alternative source and it's got all these random tabs in it that is making your formatting a bit all over the place. Now what you can do is you can come in and start manually taking those out, but that could be quite time consuming. So what we're going to do instead is we're going to use vertical text selection. So to do this, we hold down Alt, we pick where we want to grab the text, and we can drag this square shape out. So essentially, it's going to select all the text in this grayed out box. I'm going to hit Control X and then come to somewhere else in my Word document, and I'm going to paste this in as special. And you can see straight away it's just taken out, it's just grabbed the text, it hasn't grabbed the tabs, and it's just copied those in. So if I save myself masses of time, not having to individually remove those tabs. I'd love to know how useful you find these quick time-saving tips. Also, if you've got any of your own that you particularly like, please do leave me a comment below. That you found this video useful, and I look forward to seeing you next time.